welcome back to the S.T.M.B racing channel. Today we're going to finish taking apart the Duramax 440. We're going to go ahead and get it ready for the upgrades. But first, let's check out the upgrades. We have a NR Racing twisted cam with 50-pound valve springs, ARP rod bolts. We've got the Vegas Karts 92mm flat top piston, the Vegas Karts billet rod, Vegas Karts piston rings, wrist pin, locks, bearings. I mean, we got all the goodies here. Later on, I'll put some ratio rockers and some stainless steel push rods. But for now, let's get this thing back together and see what kind of power we can make with it. All right, let's get it. Sorry guys, the camera died. I couldn't wait any longer. I went ahead and did the ring gaps, put the piston on the rod, went ahead and installed the rod on there. Fucking spins good, real easy, perfect. Also did the plastic gauging. We were perfect. Just wanted to update you guys real quick. Sorry about the whole battery dying. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the valve springs and stick the cam in there and put the head back on. Hopefully everything's good. Alright guys, sorry, had a late start today with the camera anyway. I went ahead and put the cover on already. Need to put the push rods and the rocker arms in, finish assembling the whole motor. But she's looking pretty good. Pretty excited to see how this thing's gonna run. Had a late start because my buddy Mark brought me his doodle bug. It's got a 212 and a little Makuni on there and some valve springs, pretty much just all bolt-ons. But what's interesting, pretty cool paint job, check it out. It's all pinstriped out. What trips me out is this. It's called a Powell something. Crazy ass mini bike. Never seen them before. And it's crazy because the motor is on like a pivot. Freaking crazy. It runs and drives. Because the belt back there, where's that belt at? The belt went bad. So I'm gonna help them out, try to replace it, get that thing running again. Pretty rare bike. But for now, I'm gonna go back to this bad boy. Gonna go ahead and put the rocker arms and, like I said, push rods and stuff back in. Put this motor together. Let's get it. She's all back together now. Looking pretty sexy, I must say. Went ahead and put the motor on off camera. I mean, y'all saw me take it off. Y'all know how it goes back on. But let's give it a test rip. See what it does. Success. Sounds good, sounds strong. Now we're gonna have a meet here hopefully real soon. So y'all stay tuned and see this bad boy in action.